to my channel. Today we'll be solving a nice challenge which says 3m minus 9m to the power of 1 all over 2 equals to 30. The question says m is now equals to what? So we're looking for the value of m in this nice challenge. So if you are new here, you can click on the subscription button and hit up the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release videos on mathematics, because in this channel I solve problems on mathematics such as calculus, algebra, Olympiad mathematics. So let's dive into today's challenge. So solving this, we can say solution. Then write down our question, which says 3m minus 9m to the power of 1 all over 2 is equal to 30. Okay, if we choose something, we are having m here and we are having m to the power of 1 all over 2 at this point. So what are we going to do? Let's take m equals to p squared. So in order for me to look for p, therefore p is now equals to, if I should square both sides, we're having p squared here, square both sides, m, square root both sides, sorry. So p is now equals to the root of m, which is also equals to m 1 all over 2. Okay, having this, your m is equals to p squared, then your p is equals to m to the power of 1 all over 2. Therefore, wherever we see m, we are putting p squared, and wherever we see m to the power of 1 all over 2, we are putting p there. So writing this equation, we are going to have 3p minus 3p squared minus 9p equal to 30. Nine 3p squared minus 9p equals to 30. Okay, in order for us to rearrange this in a form of quadratic equation, we can write 3p squared minus 9p minus 30 is equals to 0. Okay, seeing this challenge again, in order for us to put this thing in a quadratic form, we can write this thing to be 3p squared minus 9p minus 30 is equals to 0. Okay, so since this is our new form of equation, we're having 3p squared minus 9p minus 30 equals to 0. Looking at this quadratic equation, there's something common between these numbers, and that thing common is 3. So if we factor out 3, we can have 3 open bracket p squared minus 3p minus 10 is equals to 0. So if we should divide both sides, our new equation becomes p squared minus 3p minus 10 is equals to 0. So how can we look for the value of p in this equation? Solving a quadratic equation using the factorization method, we are going to think of two numbers. If we should add these two numbers or subtract these two numbers, it's going to give us minus 3. And if we should multiply these two numbers, it's going to give us minus 5. So what are those two numbers? Those two numbers are minus 5 and plus 2. So minus 5 and plus 2 is the number we are going to pick for p. By the time we plug them in, it's going to give us this. So if we should do that, we are going to have p squared minus 5p plus 2p minus your 10 is equals to 0, because minus 5p plus 2p is going to give us minus 3p. So doing that, we cannot see, put in a bracket here, put a bracket here, put a bracket here, then put a bracket here. Then what then is common at this point? P is common, so we are going to have p, factor out p minus 5, close bracket. Then plus, then what then is common here? 2 is common, we are going to pick out 2, p minus 5, close bracket, equal 0. Okay, so we've gotten this and this are alike, we pick them as 1, this and this, we pick it. So we're going to have 2p p plus 2 open brackets p minus your 5. So therefore your p is equals to 5 or minus 2. So these are the values for p. Remember, we are not looking for p, we are looking for n. So let's jump in to look for n. No. Okay, since p is equals to 5 and p is equals to minus 2, recall we said p is equals to root of n, right? Then we now said p square is equals to m. Now we are not having p is equals to 5, right? So we can say 5 is equals to root n, or minus 2 is equals to root n. Okay, so if we should look for m, we can square both sides. The same thing here, we square both sides, so our m is equals to 25 and m is equals to 4. So these are the values for m. So if you plug all these values into our previous question, you are going to have 30. If you plug m equals to 25 into the previous question, you are going to have 30. So if you like this video and you find this video interesting, you can click on the subscription button and hit up the notification bell if you have not done so. And by the time you are done doing that, you can write down on the comment section below saying, I have clicked on the subscription button and I have hit on the notification bell. And also don't forget to hit up the thumbs up button so that this video can go viral, so that others can watch and get fun in mathematics. Thank you very much. God bless you and Jesus loves you. Bye for now. What in